Hello, I am Mr. M from Jit4Dev. In this video, I will talk about how to install OpenLayer plugin. QGIS have many plugins. If you would like to install plugin in QGIS, you need to click on Plugins menu on the top of screen. Click Manage and Install Plugin. Type name of plugin which you want. In this case, I type OpenLayer, but OpenLayer plugin is not appear in a result list. To solve this problem, you need to go to Settings. Check on Show also experimental plugins, and then click All. The OpenLayer plugin will appear in the list. Click on OpenLayer plugin and click Install plugin. QGIS will download and install this plugin automatically. If everything fine, you will see message plugin installed successfully. Close this window. Go to Web menu at the top of screen. Choose OpenLayer plugin and you will see list of base map that this plugin supported. I will open Google Hybrid. Google Hybrid will appear on the map, and you will see watermark for developer purpose only, and pop-up message this page can load Google Maps correctly. You can solve this problem by set Google API key. Go to Web, OpenLayer plugin, Google Maps and set API key. Enter your API key here. Next example, I will show you how to open Apple Map. Go to Web, OpenLayer plugin, choose Apple Map and click on Apple iPhoto Map. OpenLayer plugin have many base maps. You should choose a map that is suitable for you. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can write down in the comment box. Don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. สวัสดีครับ